how to download voice messages from WhatsApp. So first of all, let's go ahead and enter the WhatsApp, and let's go ahead to this chat, for example. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into holding this chat, and as you can see, you will only see 5 options: star, reply, forward, info, pin, and delete, of course. So unfortunately for now, you can't actually download by clicking download. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit the star button, and it will be saved in the start right here. If you clicked on the name of that person, go ahead to the start messages, and you're gonna see your voice message being there. And the second way to actually save this is by just going ahead and swipe up. If you are using iPhone or Android, even just go ahead into click the recording, and you're gonna wait, and you're gonna play the sound inside the WhatsApp, and now you recorded your voice inside the WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.